Today we are drawing a boat. So go grab your painting colors and brushes. We start by drawing the hull. Now we will draw the mast in the center of the boat. From the mast, draw the mainsail. Next, draw the jib opposite the mainsail. Time to draw the flag for our boat. Now we will draw some lines to decorate the mainsail. Similarly, we will draw a zigzag line on the hull. Time! First, we will color the mast brown. Now we will color the mainsail. Red.
Yellow.
Next, we will color the hull.
Pink.
Time to color the flag dark blue. We will color the jib topaz color. At last, color the water blue.
And it's done! Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.